What's up, everybody? My name is Jesus Rodriguez, and you're watching Watch the Matter with me. And today, I got something in the mail. Something I'm excited about. Let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, here it is. I've been waiting for this to drop since November. The website said it was going to get released in November. Never did. What is it? Let's check it out. Oh, have you guessed yet? What? Let me see. There it is. DWN 56009 USD 110. That's what I paid. Let's see what the box has. Looks like it comes with a little bag, like a little pouch here, a little travel pouch. But that's not what we're here for. Warranty card and manual. There it is. There it is, guys. Check it out. Oh, oh, this is so cool. Oh my God, it's a lot smaller than I thought, to be honest. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that is so rad. That is so cool. Check that out, guys. This is one of the new G-Shock rings. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh yeah. Let's take this guy out so we can show the camera. Just a good ring and a good watch. What do you guys think? Man, this thing looks so tiny and so cool. It's like a little watch. Check it out. Literally a little watch. And I just love the yellow. The yellow is so good. So again, like I said, this is literally just like a little watch. You take it off. You wrap your finger around it. That is so sweet. And there it is. Check it out. I'm really happy I bought it. It's super cool, super niche, and I'm happy I have one in my collection. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think. Just a short little video that I thought was cool. This little rubber watch stand is epic as well. Check that out. You know, you want to take this to the office and put it down. Boom. What a cool little watch. Alright guys, so here is a regular 5610 square Casio G-Shock and the ring. Just wanted to show them to you guys side by side and look at the crazy detail similarities and differences. I did make a video of my G-Shock collection, so go ahead and go check that out. Let's go. Wasn't able to buy the full-on Mari this morning, but I did score one of the yellow G-Shock rings. At least that's a dub. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching the unboxing. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and follow for more watch content. Thank you very much. Hope everybody has a great day. Peace.